Jules, it's Kaushal here from YouTube and Instagram. I hope you guys are all well. And now I'm going to do a little bit of makeup with you all. Now don't get me wrong, you don't have to wear makeup every single day, especially during lockdown. But I genuinely think that putting a little bit of makeup on just helps me feel like a little bit more confident and helps me feel like I can tackle that day a little bit better. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. As you can tell, I've already got all my skincare and everything already done. And now I'm going to move on to doing my makeup. I like to keep my makeup very, very simple. Sometimes I will skip the base completely and just do a little bit of cream products on my cheeks and do my eyes and eyebrows, but I'm going to show you like the full shebang. So first I'm going to start off with concealer. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I'm going to get this onto the usual areas that I like to brighten and highlight my face. So that's underneath my eyes, a little bit on my chin, and also my forehead. There are days where I would leave my base like this, but I am going to show you the foundation that I'm really loving at the moment, and that is this IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation. So I'm just going to get a very slight layer of this onto the rest of my face using my damp beauty sponge. So my foundation and base is almost done, but I'm just going to set the areas that I applied the concealer, and I'm going to be using this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder. So now I'm going to add a little bit of colour and glow to my cheeks, and first I'm going to take the L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer and get that onto the usual areas that I like to bronze my face. To add a little bit of colour to my actual cheeks, I'm taking my cream blush here. This is the Pixi On The Glow blush in the shade Flare, and I'm getting this onto the apples of my cheeks and blending that into my skin. I just love the way a cream blusher looks, especially on like a very minimal makeup day. It just blends into the skin so beautifully. But now I'm going to add a little touch of highlight to the tops of my cheeks, and I'm using a C-Pop from Becca for that. And just like that, my base is done. Now, if I wasn't filming this would literally take me like 3 or 4 minutes to do. It's very quick. But now I'm going to move on to eyes. The first thing I'm going to do is fill my brows in. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown and just filling in the gaps of my brows. I'm just giving my brow hairs a quick set so they stay in place. And I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper for that. One thing that I love doing when I'm not wearing much makeup is just putting mascara on my top lashes. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to add the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara to them. Last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit to my lips. Now, usually I just put something like lip balm on, but I've got my lip liner here and I've got my cream blush, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to get my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner onto my lips and line my lips and fill them all in with it first. And then I'm going to take my Pixi On The Glow blush. I'm going to add a little bit to my lips. I always sleep in my hair in a little French braid like this, and this just keeps all my curly whirly curls in place, and I feel like my hair lasts so much longer, so I don't need to wash it in between. So I'm just taking it all out, and this is my hair all curly, and I am going to put some of this Jizu honey infused hair perfume into my hair. Do a few spritz of this. It smells so nice. And that is the end of this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed it and share the love. Speaking of love, I'm sending all of the love and light from my heart to you guys, and I will hopefully see you all soon. Bye!